Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuri Tochilo, and let's get started. Today we are uncovering gold plating, what it means, why it causes issues, and practical ways to avoid it. What is gold plating? Gold plating refers to adding extra features, functions, or enhancements that weren't part of the approved project scope. These additions are usually done with good intentions, to exceed customer expectations or improve perceived quality. However, gold plating is considered an uncontrolled change to the scope baseline. The key principle: if it's not in the scope baseline, it should not be done, even if it appears beneficial. Why gold plating is a problem? At first glance, gold plating sounds positive, but in reality, it introduces significant project risks. First, schedule delays. Additional work consumes time and disrupts planned timelines. Second, cost overruns. Unapproved effort leads to increased resource consumption. Third, increased complexity. More features introduce additional dependencies, testing effort, and failure points. Fourth, stakeholder misalignment. The delivered product may no longer align with agreed requirements. Fifth, maintenance burden. Unnecessary features must be supported long-term, often without business value. Gold plating introduces waste without validated value. Let's connect this to a real scenario. A manufacturing company is implementing an ERP system. The approved scope includes core finance module, inventory management, standard reporting. During development, an engineer decides to enhance the solution by adding predictive analytics dashboards, custom automation rules not requested by the client. The intention is to add value, but the outcome is different. Additional data sources are required. Performance issues appear during testing. User training becomes more complex. The go-live date is delayed. When the client reviews the solution, their response is clear: "We did not request these features. Please remove them." Now, the team must rework and remove functionality, resulting in wasted time, increased cost, and reduced stakeholder trust. How to prevent gold plating? First, clearly define scope. Ensure all requirements are documented, validated, and approved. Second, educate the team. Reinforce that more is not always better, alignment is. Third, enforce integrated change control. Any enhancement must go through formal evaluation and approval. Fourth, validate deliverables continuously. Regularly compare outputs against the scope baseline. Fifth, focus on business value. Deliver what was agreed, not what is assumed to be beneficial. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.